Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to cut clips in iMovie on iPhone. First of all, open your iMovie app, tap on Movie and select the video, tap on Create Movie. In the timeline, tap the video clip or photo you want to trim. Drag either yellow trim handle to shorten or lengthen the clip or photo. If you want to cut a part of middle of your video, then select the clip and select the part you want to cut and tap on split. Again, select a part, tap on split and tap on the middle part, tap on delete, and that's how you'll be able to do this. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.